Most people waste their 500k chasing businesses that never take off. Don't be one of them. You are about to discover 5 of the smartest ways to invest your 500k in Nigeria right now without getting scammed, stressed, or stuck. Now I know what you might be thinking. Is 500k even enough to invest? Or maybe you have had someone say, Nigeria is too risky, just save it. But here is the truth. 500k might not be enough to get you a land in Lekki, but it can open doors to serious passive income if you play your cards right. So in this video, we're talking about the 5 smart places to invest your 500k. These aren't vague ideas like start a business or go into tech. No, these are actual practical investments that smart Nigerians are using to grow their money every day. I will break down each one of them so that you can know how it works, the potential risk, and what you can expect in returns. And I will also show you a huge mistake that most people make when investing, especially when starting small, and how you can avoid it. Welcome back to my over 20,000 subscribers. And if you're seeing me for the first time, you're also welcome. My name is Anne. I'm a chartered accountant with years of experience in both the banking and insurance sectors, and I'm very passionate about helping Nigerians, both home and abroad, to take charge of their financial future. And I do this by sharing educational videos like this one, showing them smart ways to make more money and invest their money so that they can grow, achieve their goals of financial freedom, and retire comfortably. Every month, I open up a few slots for select individuals to work with me on a personal one-on-one basis. I do this so that I can hold your hand, especially if you're someone that just loves that one-on-one interaction, someone to point you in the right direction and tell you what you should do and what you shouldn't do. I'm here for you. Take advantage and book your slot today so that you don't hear sold out. The link is going to be in the description of this video. Now, let us start with the first smart way that you should invest your 500,000 naira in Nigeria today, and that is in money market funds. This is where I recommend beginners to start. Why? Because it is low risk, easy to understand, and pays way better than your normal savings account. A money market fund is like a big savings pot where your money is joined together with those of other investors and then lent out to stable and secure borrowers like the government and some top-tier corporations. In return, you earn interest. Let's say you invest 500,000 naira in a money market fund today. Most top performing funds are returning about 20% annually right now. That will give you over 100,000 naira per year in interest, especially when you factor in compound interest. Add the fact that your capital is safe and preserved, and you see that is a very good way to invest your 500k. Why I love this the most is that you can start with as little as 5,000 naira and you can withdraw your money at any time. So if you're someone that still wants to have access to your money just in case, then this is a good option. Some of the top performing money market funds in Nigeria today are those of ARM, FBN Quest, Stanbic IBTC, and Co. Just check out their websites to compare earnings and how to open an account. I'm going to put the link to that of Stanbic IBTC in the description of this video. So all you have to do is click that link, go over to their website. You're going to see money market funds, and then you select buy now. It will walk you through the process on how to create your account. It's very easy. Just the way you create a normal bank account is the same thing. All the requirements are the same. Simple as ABC. There is something I want to point out that normally occurs whenever we discuss investments like this. I will always hear people say, why don't I put this money in my business? After all, if I put it in my business, I will earn more than this 100k that she just mentioned. Yes, but remember that there is a balanced form of earnings. Everything must not be active income. There is a place for you to do your active income and there's a place for you to get your passive income. Okay, now you investing 500k or some amount of money in a passive income account does not stop you from still pursuing your business. These two things should run hand in hand, especially when you're still young like I am. There is no point of just completely ignoring one side and focusing on one side. It is always wonderful for us to have a balance. Continue chasing your active income and then take some small amount of money from that active income and send to work in the passive income stream. I hope this my explanation has put an end to that argument. But you know what? I would still love to hear from you. Drop a comment in the comment section and tell me whether you're the kind of person that does not want to hear passive income. You want to put everything into your active income business. Tell me why in the comments. I would really love to hear from you. Here is what most people don't realize. The real power in money market funds is in the compound interest. Reinvest your interest instead of spending it, and in a few years, that your 500,000 will turn into millions. Now, let us go into option 2, which is Treasury bills. Treasury bills are short-term loans that you give to the Nigerian government. In exchange, they pay you back with interest after an agreed set period. Think of it like giving the government a loan to do their business, and they can even pay you the interest upfront if you choose. For example, if you invest 500k in a 1-year treasury bill, if the current interest rate is 18%, you won't pay the 500k upfront. You will pay something like 410,000 naira. Then they will pay you back the full 500,000 at the end of the year. So that 90,000 that they did not collect from the beginning is your interest. This is great for people who want to lock away their funds for a period of time safely with a predictable return. But here is the thing, to buy directly from CBN's auctions, you need a minimum of 50 million. But not to worry, you can still access treasury bills through the secondary market with the help of your banks or some fintech platforms. With Bamboo, you can get treasury bills from as low as 10,000 naira. With the Afro Investor 2.0 app, you can get started with 100,000 naira. And with Stanbic IBTC Asset Management, you can get started with treasury bills with 500,000 naira. Just remember that once you put your money in treasury bills, it is locked for that period of time that you chose. So don't put your emergency fund here. Moving on to investment number 3, where you can invest your 500,000 naira, and that is in the stock market. Now, hold up. I know some people are thinking, Anne, I don't want to lose my money. I've been hearing so many bad things about the stock market. I don't want stories. You are right to be cautious. Stocks come with a lot of risk, but they also come with reward if you do it right. Here is the deal. 500,000 naira in the stock market can grow significantly, especially when you invest in stable quality dividend paying companies. Think about blue chip companies like Zenith Bank, GT Bank, or MTN Nigeria. These are businesses that have stood the test of time. Let me break it down. If you buy 500,000 naira worth of Zenith Bank shares and the share price goes up to 10% in 6 months, that's 50,000 naira gain. Plus, they pay you dividends, which is cash in your account just for holding the shares. If you're going this route, you can use apps like Bamboo, Optimus, Trove, Chaka, or directly through a stockbroker. But here is my advice. Don't chase the hype. Don't buy because someone on Twitter said so. Do your research. Look at the company's profits, dividends, and consistency. Let me know in the comment section if you would love me to package a service where you can pay and subscribe to get these wonderful stocks to buy sent to you. So, kind of giving you signals on this is a good buy or this is a good sell. Let me know if that is a service you're going to be willing to pay for if I offer it to you. When it comes to the stock market, also try to hold for the long term. The stock market is not a place for you to try to flip your cash overnight. It is for planting seeds and gradually watching them grow. And now we go to the 4th investment, which is fintech apps and digital savings platforms. This is where things get interesting. Nigeria's fintech space has exploded, and there are apps right now offering you wonderful returns just for saving your money with them. Apps like PiggyVest and Cowrywise let you invest money into different funds. Some of them allow you to invest into Eurobonds or agriculture lending. You can lock your money, set goals, automate your investments, and earn 14 to 20% returns on your cash. Why is this a game changer? Because it brings structure to your money. Instead of leaving your 500,000 naira in your bank account where it earns you about 4% returns and the temptation to spend it is very high, these platforms help you to grow your money with discipline. Also, some fintech apps offer dollar investment options. With as little as 10,000 naira, you can start investing in global opportunities. For example, apps like Optimus, PiggyVest, Bamboo allows you to invest in dollars and also earn in dollars. Here is a word of caution. Always research the apps before you invest. Check if they are regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission, read reviews, and don't go in all at once. Start small, test it, and then scale up. Good news is that the SEC is always updating their website with companies that we should not work with. So this can help you to stay updated. Or you can follow me and make use of the apps that I recommend because I make sure that they are SEC regulated before I recommend them. All right, the fifth place that we can invest our 500,000 naira is in federal government savings bonds. Now, if you've never heard of this before, you are not alone, but you should definitely pay attention. Federal government savings bonds are like treasury bills, but it's actually better for small investors. You only need a minimum of 5,000 naira to invest, and you can even invest as much as 50 million. These funds are issued monthly by the Debt Management Office, and they are for a period of either 2 years or 3 years. Let's say you put 500,000 naira in a 3-year federal government savings bonds offering 17%. You will be getting 85,000 naira per year in interest. This will be divided into 4 and paid into your bank account every quarter. That is every 3 months. So instead of waiting till maturity, you'll be getting regular cash flow. And here is why I love this option. It is government backed, and that makes it low risk. So that gives you predictable income. It is perfect for people who want to go to sleep and sleep well, knowing that their money is safe and secure. You can subscribe to federal government savings bonds through your stockbrokers, your bank's investment arm, or through investment apps like the Afri Investor 2.0 app. Now, let us address the challenge. One of the biggest mistakes I see people make with investing is lack of consistency. You invest 500k once and then you stop. That is not wealth building. Real investing is a habit. The power isn't just in that first 500k. It's in making it weekly, quarterly, or monthly. That's when compound interest begins to kick in and you can see your money grow quickly. Also, don't wait until you have 500,000 naira to start. Start with what you have now. Time in the market beats timing the market. Now, you might still be wondering, which of these is right for me? Maybe you're confused about where to begin, or you need someone to guide you based on your specific income, goals, and financial situation. That's why I offer these one-on-one consultation sessions where I help people like you choose the best investment vehicle for their lifestyle, their budget, and their future plans. No jargon, no stress, just clarity and results. You will find the link to book your session today in the description below. So let's wrap it up. Money market funds is safe, flexible, and currently offering over 20%. With treasury bills, you can lock it and leave it for predictable interest, currently around 18 to 20%. With the stock market, it is riskier but rewarding if you do it right. Fintech apps, this gives you smart savings options and access to global investments in both naira and dollar. With the federal government savings bond, this offers you low risk and consistent income with interest currently at 16 to 17%. To have these investments explained to you in more details with step-by-step guides on how you can invest and also answer your frequently asked questions, then grab my ebook. It explains these investments in a very beginner-friendly way. The link to get yours is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, then the next one showing on your screen right now will even be more helpful. Click to watch it and keep your money growing. Until I see you, keep dreaming big and keep working hard towards your dreams. I'm rooting for you. Bye for now.